Alright, time for an unboxing of the Spectra headlights. Got this one from KLS Martin, the G6 It's their new edition. So let's see. So it kind of opens like an Apple box there. You have this nice carrying case. Feels pretty sturdy. It's got a lock on it, which is nice, I guess. And then inside, this is what it looks like. You have a couple of a power supply for the base station, a charger, little foam insert here, 6 batteries, as you can see, kind of all put into here. These little slots. Headlight comes out, G6 So see that it focuses. The batteries go in here, on, off. A couple of adjustments. It seems very well made, very light. It is all plastic, and then a nice little headband here. And then your power station is in here. So, and then a couple of keys. So that's what the Spectra headlight looks like.